Golly. These glad ones. They get their candy. Okay, let's go. Go get the eggs. Go that way. Go that way. See all those eggs? You can get some and put them in your basket.
We'll try to find the eggs.
Can you find Where are the eggs? Where are they, Sam?
Where are the eggs? You see any, Caitlin?
Where are the eggs?
Do you see any eggs? Yes, she does.
Wow.
She doesn't see any.
Sam, go get all those eggs. Put them in your basket.
Get one of those.
They got candy in them.
There's another one. Well, no, that's Nolan's. Go over there.
All right.
Yeah, Nolan got that one. You're too late.
Put it in your basket. Yes, it's got balloons. Some of them got candy in it. Said some of them got candy in it. Trust me. There you go. Put them in your basket. Put the plastic eggs in there too. Yeah, put them in your basket. Hey, go get a bunch of them. Go put them in your basket. Carry your basket around.
You better hurry, those girls gonna get out here and find all of them. You better get some. Hurry, Sam, get some. Put them in the basket.
They're not very fast, are they?
Better go get them now.
What's so fast and not even getting in the basket?
Show Daddy. Show Daddy your egg. He's putting his Sam, Nolan, no, Sam. Sam, Nolan has some eggs. Bring your basket over here for Nolan to put it in. Get the basket and bring it over here for Nolan. Can Bubba put some in there too? Oh, balloons. Oh, nice. Put that in there. We'll blow it up later. Let's find some more eggs. Brittany and Nicole are about to come out and get all the balloons. I mean, all the eggs. Oh, yay! Nolan did it. Here, Sam. Let me take a picture of you. Now you both look at my stickers. Nolan.
Did you find an ant? Go get some more eggs.
Get pictures of you. Sam's not cooperating. Is that all you want? That's all.
We're fixing to those monsters out. Baskets.
Get them, Sam. Get those eggs. You better hurry.
I'm letting come, okay? Here come the big kids, Caitlin. You want to see them?
Hurry, Sam. Hurry. Go put them in your basket.
Here comes the big kids. Yeah, we don't have to clean anything up.
No, let them go.
They're fixing to show you how to do it, Sam.
Here they come.
They're fixing to show you.
You better go. I gotta take pictures if y'all run. Fly out when you run. They pop out. They're fast. Where's Logan? I hope the baby's got it.
Go, Sam. Get some eggs.
Take pictures.
I am.
You just need to camp out by one egg and get that picture.
Get the eggs. Put them in the basket. Get your basket. Look. Look at them. See how they got their basket? Go get your basket and fill it up with eggs. Yeah. Go put it in your basket and go get some more.
Sam, don't worry about what's in them. Just put a whole bunch in a basket and keep the candy later. Hi.
Just tell me you run out of room here. I look. I brought that bag.
Wait! No, I'm not going to wait. You're about to go to your room. Thank you.
Happy Easter. You're going to your room. Sam, you can eat it later. Get him and put it in your basket.
Sam, get a whole bunch of eggs. Come on.
Nolan's gonna find them all. Look at him. Nolan's gonna go find them. Judy, throw some over there where Nolan can crawl and get them. Throw some in front of Nolan where he can crawl and get them.
He just wants a trampoline. He didn't care about the eggs. Oh, we had a basket she could use. That one.
Oh, you're getting close, Brittany. Oh, you're getting warmer. Oh, you're cold. Oh, you're getting warmer. That was Nolan. She passed it up. Jump up there and get it.
Who put all these up here?
Well, somebody walked right by that one, didn't they?
Oh, he's got the biggest Easter egg of all.
Finally, I did.
Hey, Sam, let me see. Sam.
There is ants over there.
Sam. Say cheese, want candy? Here's some candy, Sam.
Hey, you're gonna get into the ants. You know it? You're gonna get into the ants over here. Hey, you're gonna get into the ants over here. You're almost there. Where's the ball? Where's the ball? Huh? Where's that ball? It's behind you. Where's the ball? There it is. There it is. There she comes, Miss America.
It looks like you're facing down.
I am.
No, the bottom half, huh?
That's funny, isn't it? Huh? That's a guy joke. That's a guy joke.
Take a picture of you playing with the ball while everyone else hunts for the Easter egg.
That's boring. Y'all are getting warmer.
Hey, I just got an idea.
What? Take a look at all the pine trees. A zillion?
No, you got, Does anyone check his pocket?
Hey, we hit a couple in Nolan's diaper.
What?
I think he's got a poo-poo diaper though.
Oh!
Go see if you can find him.
No, we don't have
Oh, there's 4 over here. Hey, where you going? There's ant beds over here. You know that? Come here. Ugh. There's ants over here. Can't go crawling around in the ants.
Were you kidding about being over here? Are you kidding about being over here?
Sam, don't bounce by Bubba. You're gonna knock him off.
Can you bounce?
Just walk. You can't bounce when he's on there. Okay?
Can you bounce? Can you bounce? Go jumpy jump jump. Jumpy jump jump just like the Easter Bunny. Can you bounce like the Easter Bunny? Bouncy, bouncy. Bouncy, bouncy like the Easter Bunny. Bouncy, bouncy like the Easter Bunny. That's right. Jump. That's right. Yay! Yay! You can bounce. Can you bounce? Can you bounce?
Here's one.
Oh!
Y'all found my one up there in the hole, huh? Who got that one in the hole? Logan? He always looks there.
Look out!
He knows that's my spot. You're getting warmer. Oh, you're getting colder. Colder, colder. Warmer, colder.
Y'all are kind of warm up. Cold.
Hey! Give me that! Emo! You stole an egg.
There's the secret egg right there. Let's see who finds that one.
Careful on that.
I just took a picture of the secret egg that nobody's gonna find. Hey, don't lift those up. There's not any under there. Those are sharp. They will cut you. They will slice you.
It's funny when someone finds one in that area, they just devour it.
Yeah. Like there's got to be 20 of them here if there's one.
I don't know if they got him all. They already got him in the boat.
All right, y'all are boring. And my hand's tired.
Nicole's getting warmer. No, Logan's warmer.
Nicole's still the warmest.
Nicole's the closest.
Whoa, look at me.
Nope, not anymore.
Not anymore.
You're the closest now.
That
Look,
makes
it's not in your pocket now.
Nicole's warmer.
Hey,
Her
that's
bottom's
what
warmer.
Jessica's getting pretty close.
Warmer. Logan's warmer.
Logan's getting closer.
Nicole's warmer.
Nicole's burning almost.
Oh!
Oh!
Oh! Everybody's warm. Oh!
Ooh, burning the feet.
Burning feet! Burning feet! Oh! Feet are burning. Woo!
Y'all are all really hot.
Feet are burning.
Why is your berry tough?
Right there, you
Woo!
I know how to tell. Wait.
It could have a $10 bill in it.
That was wrong. That's a lie.
There's one buried somewhere.
There it is.
Start digging.
In my clothes. Tell me where I'm close.
I don't know. Y'all are all pretty close.
Ah!
Y'all just gotta start digging.
Go on the other side.
Oh, come on. You don't expect us to dig all this stuff.
Y'all have to walk around.
Oh, there's that $10 bill.
Somebody's really.
Somebody's hot.
Yeah.
What's on fire?
Somebody's on fire.
Oh, not anymore.
No. It was Brittany. Yeah, Brittany.
It's fine. It's
Brittany.
fine.
It was Brittany.
Brittany, you were standing on it.
I was in it. Brittany, you have to wait. Brittany, your butt was on fire.
Wait up there.
Is it
You
what?
have to wait to stick it.
Butt knocked me over.
Man, I got gum on my socks. Sam's spitting
Hey,
out
y'all
his
just put it in the
food.
tree so we can take a
Spitting out
picture
his
of everybody
candy.
with all their eggs.
All right, that was it. That was the last one,
Where's Sam and Nolan?
probably.
There wasn't any with no.
Down it.
Oh, she found a quarter.
If it's gold, it's $1.
Oh, he got more heads.
A gold quarter.
Sit down by Nicole.
Turn around.
Sit down
All
Nicole.
right,
so
strike a
we can
pose, Derek.
see you. Derek, get out of the picture. You're ruining it.
I found a quarter. I found a quarter.
Okay, everybody smile for Nolan leaves.
On 3, Happy Easter. 1, 2, 3.
Wait, Nolan's going.
Nolan, get back there. Derek, put Nolan back. Thanks for the help.
Wear off. Look at I got it.
Okay.
It ain't safe.
There goes.
Well, how many grandmas are up there?
Lead him
Snap
up,
the
lead him
picture.
up.
Oh, this full. Great. We just need one picture. Nolan.
Grandma Lillian.
We can't see your faces.
It's his fault. He only gave me
Nicole,
one picture to take.
Nicole, it's going to be all hair if you don't look.
You set me up, didn't you?
Y'all have to look this way.
Hey, somebody's got to do it.
Sam.
When everybody goes, you gotta say let's all go.
Huh? No.
Somebody wants to stand on
What? Where you going? Are you gonna skate? Why?
Sorry, my face is blurred out. Put the video camera on him some more because he's being tortured.
Poor thing. All those girls torturing you. Well, go out there and skate and make them chase you.
No. Hey. Yes.
All right, it's off. Who's that?
Slide to the left. Slide to the right.
Who's that?
Crisco.
Who's that? Huh?
Crisco. Chop, chop, real smooth. Let's go to work.
Is that you? Huh? Is that you?
To the left. Take it back now, y'all. 2 off this time. 2 off this time. Right foot, 2 stomps.
Got serious there for me.
Oh, man.
Turn it back. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. 5 off this time. Right foot, left side. Left foot, left side. Right foot in. Left foot in. Right foot, left side. Left foot, left side. Free.
What y'all doing?
Nothing. None of your business. I'm going here. Where did he Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Brittany. Happy birthday to you. And may you more on Channel 4. And may more Oh, that lady. Channel lady. You see all that lady. And the fat lady.
Too late to say cha-cha-cha now.
Yeah, we got the door locked.
No, I don't. Hey, it's yours. I'll tell you what. Hey, Ryan, make it skate. Can't make it skate, Mr. Ryan. Yeah, because we can catch you. Mom, what? Trying to make it again. You want to eat? You want to skate open the door?
You want the first piece?
Hey. He's going. No, he's going. He's
Nolan.
not skating.
Nolan.
I bet he is.
Nolan. Nolan.
He's down on the ground.
There you go.
Oh, there you are.
Oh, I know you want to touch that. Huh? Huh?
Watch it.
How do you want to do it?
Who is that? Who is that?
Brittany,
Who is
are y'all
that?
gonna eat cake?
Huh?
They are. They're cake. Just gotta go look at Ryan.
Yeah.
They like it. Hey, it's right there.
What you need to film, Randy?
No.
You need all the cake.
Like in Mars. Is it pretty there? I guess.
He wants it.
But he can. Hey, what do you think? No, we can cook,
The older one, you can have to go.
right? Hey, Brittany, you didn't cook right?
Here's the big flood. So far so good as far as it not getting in our house. But it's still early. Here's our lake house. Hey, Moby. Get under this cover, dogs. Come on. getting plenty of water. Hang on. All right, go. Fast, fast, fast. Nicole, you got to hit it up in the middle. You can't slow down. You got to go fast. Just barely stick it where it's floating. Get all the water out of it. Get all the water out of it. Nicole, drag it on dry land and get all the water out of it, and then just barely set it in the water. There you go. Now just barely set it where it's sitting in the water. Brittany, help her if you're going to go your turn. Let's go. Right there, right there. Well, don't point it towards the bulldozer. Don't aim it towards the bulldozer. You got to go fast.
That's what happens when you go fast.
No, you got to balance like you're surfing.
I did not go like that.
All right, pull it back up there. So you just got to barely have it half in the grass, half in the water, and then jump on it and ride it. You got to balance. You know you're going to try to go backwards, so you got to lean over and bend your knees. Wait. Faster, faster. You hit too far in the front. You got to try to hit it in the middle. Brittany. Just barely put it on the edge. There you go. Ah, too far in the water. Right there. Y'all got to get going faster. You got to run as fast as you can. If you go slow, you're just going to sink. Well, take your boots off. There you go. It's better, but you slowed down. Yeah, I didn't want to fall. You got to go fast. I'll show you how to do it in a minute. You got to see how far you can ride it. You should be able to ride it all the way down here past me. Look, it's got water in it. Drag it all the way up on dry land and then just barely set it on the edge. All right. Right there. Fast as you can go. Fast as you can go and jump on it hard. You're jumping too much to the middle, Nicole. You got to jump at the back like a surfboard and ride it. Try it again. You're trying to get it to float, to skim across the top of that water. If you jump on the very front of it, the front's just going to dive down. It doesn't matter. You're going to get to do it a bunch of times. Just one of you go. Fast. You got to go fast. You can't jog over there. You got to run as fast as you can. There you go. See, it's better. Now you're getting a feel for it. Now you got to go faster and see how far you can ride it. Yeah, she did. She slowed down. Oh, well. Ants.
Oh, help. Don't video your feet or the water.
I'm standing here watching y'all and I'm standing in ants. All right, you got to go as fast as you can this time and right in the middle of it. Jump right in the middle of it and try to make it move, Brennan. Move, Brennan. You're jumping too far to the front, Nicole. See how it fills up with water? You got to jump right in the middle of it. Yeah, right there is where you got to jump. You jump right there and it'll start sliding. You know? All right, run as fast as you can. Fast, don't slow down. Go, 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 go. There you go, see? What?
What is that thing right there?
What? I don't know. That's just a bee.
Daddy,
Go. That was better. See, you didn't sink. It started to slide. Come on. Oh, you gotta go faster than that, Brittany. You're not gonna go anywhere. It's gonna slide. It's gonna try to slide up underneath you, but that's what you gotta try to ride it. Yeah. Faster. Faster. Here. What you got?
Don't touch it.
You got a cricket? It ain't gonna hurt him. You know. Where'd your cricket go? Oh, there it is. There's your buddy. Huh? What is that?
Pick it up with your hands.
What is that, Sam? Huh?
Wicket. Don't squash it. I put it in your hand. Let it jump.
It wouldn't jump. It crawled up his arm while ago.
See, let's go show Mama. Is she
No, she's in the bathtub. Go ahead, set it free.
No, not here. In the sand pile. It's in the sand pile. What? Go put the other.
Go put it down. Come put your water shoes on, Sam.
Okay. It still wouldn't move. What?
You got to go faster. Now try it with it right there. Faster, faster, faster.
Over here, Sam. Over here.
Come on, Sam, come put your shoes on.
He needs to take his shirt off.
Okay, Mom.
What?
Brittany's trying to be your mom.
What?
So Brittany's trying to be your mom. What are you doing, Sam? Huh?
I just hit my balance.
All right, we'll go get it and do it again. Come here. Right there. Go, fast as you can go. No, he's not. Go. Hey, there you go. That's Sam's turn. Sam, go run and jump on it. Set it a little bit further in the water for Sam. Right there. Run real fast and jump on it. Go, 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 go. Ooh. Try it again. Try it again. You gotta run faster. Get the water off of it, Nicole.
Whoa! After Sam, my turn, but it's not going to count for me because I'm going to see Moby jump.
Oh, but it's not gonna count for you? Not yet, Sam.
Oh, who wants to kick it?
Sam, run and jump on it. Fast, 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 jump. Woo!
Sam, I got it! I got it, Sam! I got it!
See, if you'd have gone faster, you'd have got the record. You gotta go fast.
Done. Cool stuff.
Go. Hey! All right. Good job. Where'd Moby go? Put it further in the water. Put it where it just starts to float. Further, 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 further. A little bit more. Right there.
My toe caught on it.
Yeah. Fast as you can go. Go, 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 go. Oh, you had it. You could have stood up. Look how far it would have gone.
Me and her, Daddy, me and her tied because she left
Yeah.
off right there.
So you gotta get right on the back of it.
Well, me and you tied. Me and you tied.
Huh? Wah. Well, if it wouldn't have fell down, it wouldn't have hurt.
You would have stayed on there.
That was pretty slow, wasn't it? Now I know why you do it that way, Brittany. Daddy showed you how to do it that way? Mommy took a bath.
Are you going to find?
Nope. I have to go to the grocery store. Woo! Easy.
Right to the wheel.
Woo! Looks like a surfboarder.
No, I'm going. What are you doing? It's sprinkling.
What? What about him?
Don't go inside.
I'll get him in a second. He's fine. That's
I
right.
hit the record for a second.
Doing time.
How do you zoom?
Go. Stand right on the back. Right on the back. Nicole, you get up on the front, it's not going to go far. You got to get on the back. Like you were earlier, and it was going a long way.
And here comes Mr. Sam. Got the boots on.
Now go.
Hi, Sam.
Stand on the back.
Hi.
I beat it again.
Hi, Sam.
I went.
Getting down on all
The record
fours.
is right here. It worked. Caught me in my record.
Go, Nicole. Stand on the back, you'll beat the record.
Can't see anybody.
You get to the back, push to the front. That's it, like you're moving.
Okay, dogs. There they go. Facing the truck with the dogs in the back.
Get over here. Get over here. Fix that. Get that camera.
It's raining.
Huh? Okay, we'll go one more time, then I'll go in. So Daddy's turn. Y'all let Daddy go one more time so I don't get the camera wet.
See me too.
Okay.
Me too.
Okay. But let Daddy go first.
I'm getting up here.
See if he, tell him if he's going fast or slow. That's, you know what?
Oh, I think that's the record.
Well, how far did you start back? Start
Not
back.
exactly the record.
Oh, I don't know.
To that dirt.
I don't know.
You didn't eat it.
I stayed on my feet.
Shoot, Brandy, it wasn't on record. I pushed the wrong button. Go do it again, Randy. It wasn't on record. Woo!
Almost.
Video.
That would be funny.
Right?
I guess I'll have to watch this before anyone else does, just in case. Huh?
What?
I'll watch this tape before anyone else does, just in case I do it wrong. No, I'm waiting for Daddy. I've already videoed y'all a couple other times.
More at it.
Right at it.
Oh, right at it. Couldn't beat it.
Didn't beat it.
Hey, Sam, come sing your monkey song. How's that monkey song go? Monkey ride?
You like that light?
Sing it to Nolan. Come sing it to Nolan. Sing it to Daddy so we can put it on the TV. If you sing it to Daddy, we can put it on the camera and then put it on the TV. Oh, you want to sing that song? Okay. Let me see. Fall on your head? Don't do that, please.
No, no, what are you doing? Nolan. Hey, hey. Hey there. Huh. What?
Where are you going? Okay, we can stop. What? Daddy what? Daddy look at you with that camera?
What? You got cowboy underwear? You got cowboy underwear?
No. It's cowboy hat.
Oh, cowboy hat. Now Bubba's got a cowboy hat. Huh. Yeah, Bubba's got it.
Monkey song, Sam.
You can't touch this camera. You can't touch this camera. Oh, just took his hat back. Just took his hat back.
Is that a baseball hat, Sam? Baseball shorts?
Yeah.
Those are not baseball shorts.
I got baseball, my shorts, my room.
Oh, in your room? Okay. What? What? I don't understand. Oh, the girl had a hat? You want a hat like that girl?
Yeah.
I didn't see it. I missed it. What color was it? You don't know? Hopefully not pink.
Mom.
What?
Mama, Timmy, he's my yay.
Bubba, get your leg?
Yeah, Mama, Timmy, yay.
Kiss his leg.
Don't knock him over, Sam. Be careful. Okay, you got no one falling yet.
Back behind the stage. There you go. Good job, good job. Out of the way, Brittany.
Hey, Jessica, you can do it. You can do it, baby. Big kid.
Focusing on the fence and not her.
Jessica, get ready, baby. Get ready to hit the ball. Get ready to hit the ball.
Watch your hands, guys.
Come on, girlfriend.
Then you start.
What a run, Brittany. There you go. Follow through, you're all right.
Watch the ball. Good play.
Follow through. There you go. You got lucky.
Wow.
Right under it.
Happened to her too, so automatic. Come on, Jessica, you can do it, baby. You can do it.
Run fast, Brittany.
Watch that ball, Jess. Don't turn your head. Watch the ball.
Yeah, 2 strikes. Jessica, 2 strikes, baby.
Come on. You can do it. Big breath, baby. Big
Watch
breath.
that ball all the way.
Go, Jessica. Run hard, Jessica.
Hey, Brittany, go, Brittany, go. Go.
Bring her home.
You better slide. Out of the way. Oh, yeah, good slide.
There you go. All right, Brittany.
Out of the way to slide. Good job. Good job.
Slide, baby.
Brittany. Brittany. Let me see that smile. That was a good slide. Took her feet out from under.
Good job, Justin. Here for a second. Did I hit you in the face with the first you hit again? Are you okay?
There you go. Yeah, all right, wait on a good one and drive it. Wait on a good one and drive it. All right, faster than that. You can swing that bat faster. Come on. You can do it.
Use those legs, baby. Come on, Britt, open your eyes. See your bat hit the ball.
Get mad at it. There you go. Out of the way. Every time that swing. Hit the middle of the ball with that swing. There you go. You got another chance.
Hey, Britt, remember what that girl told you to do?
Now hit the middle of the ball right here. Oh. That's good, isn't it?
Good job,
go.
Santa, run hard! Run, Santa, run, run, run!
Open the top of it.
What?
Top of the cake. Get a good shot of it.
Look at that side. Look at my side. My side's the best.
Cake decorators when y'all get older. What? What, Sam? Did you help decorate the cake? Did you help decorate the cake? No, no, no. Hey, did you help decorate the cake? Huh? You helped to eat the cake. You like that light? You like that light? Alright, come on, mommy. Back. All these camera hands. Oh, we gotta light it.
Wait, I gotta get my hand, Mama.
No, that's
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mom. Happy birthday to you. Yeah, sing it, Nolan. Blow them out. Blow them out, Sam.
Hey, we need to blow it out.
Blow them out.
Blow it out. I blow it out.
Hey, y'all did good. They're all out.
Not really.
I thought you were going to blow them out. I thought you were going to blow the candles out. Hey, don't spit on it. You got to eat that cake.
Oh, now let's cough on it too. What'd you do for birthday?
Sam, I thought you were going to blow them out.
Hey, blew it out.
The smoker family. Practice for your birthday next week.
Yeah, you got them all out. Oh, what happened?
Got the wine?
Yeah, let's get that whiny. Let me see. Do that whiny thing again, Nicole. All out.
Is it all mine?
Take one first. The big one first. No, the little one. The little one.
No, the big one. Open the big. No, the little one. Open the big one.
What's it gonna be? The socks? Ooh, fancy ponytail.
Yeah.
I'm not sharing them.
Yeah, you are. We're the one who bought it.
I give it a week, and they'll be in the car and outside.
We had to wrap it in a hat. Yeah.
Got a hand.
Open it.
Let's see, who picked it out?
I did. Well, we both did, but you wanted to pick an animal that said.
I didn't need to get all the details. Oh,
You
man.
gotta push this button out.
Who picked this out?
Me.
I mean, for me?
Yes.
Open it. I need you to open it. Does it have a key too?
No, it doesn't. Let me open it. All the other ones did for some reason. No, let me open it. Here you go, watch out. Got it. Honey, you tossed it on the table. Remember? So.
You still blowing candles out? You like that one, huh?
There we go.
Goodness.
See?
It's gonna be fun for y'all.
Since you always use my red and purple, then you got these two colors. And you got color.
Wow.
It's got a lot too. I was out of it. You got. Do you like it?
I do. It's fancy.
And there's even a key. And you got 4 blush things and everything.
I need all these. I don't have them.
Okay, get the other one.
You can lock it. What other one?
Where's the bag?
The what?
Wasn't there a bag?
The bag. Nicole, you forgot to wrap that.
I said just put them in that bag. Done.
What? I have to put it in there. Wow, look what I got.
No, this is my toy.
No, it's mine.
What?
No, it's mine. I'll share it with you.
Okay.
Here you go.
Hey, look. Look.
Wow.
Mama, there's still more things in it.
I thought he'd forgotten about it. He's like, where's my tools? I want my tools out of Suburban.
Goes with my pots and pans. This is good. We need these. Now y'all can get some yummy food. Where'd you get these at?
You're on the camera. You better smile. Oh, look at those teeth. Get your tools out. And this is to document 21 of the 44 fish caught last night at Rollover Pass. Caught about 70-something fish altogether. We took 40. That's a double limit apiece, if you were wondering, Derek. Got some pretty good sizes in there. $44. Hey. What are you doing? Oh, look at that smile. What are you gonna do with those tools? You gonna saw the fish up? You gonna help me clean the fish with them? Yeah, there you go. Get that saw, go. Get after it.
Ow.
Get to cleaning them.
I cut my head. Ow. Ow. It won't work.
Doesn't work? Alright, we'll use mine. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Hey.